You see up there with the in front of that red truck, there's a yellow vehicle over there?
Yeah, the work truck.
Water. It's flooded in deep water, like this deep.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, behind that black car,
Yeah.
water was literally gushing out. What? Oh my gosh, dude. Bro, I just saw some water splash up.
Did you?
Yeah, dude, the flash flood warnings were literally true. A flash flood almost literally happened here. It's a bro, there's a slow down warning up there. Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Dude, that rain caused so much.